Hi guys, it's me again, Oliver from Modes for You, and today we're showing you our new squishy collection. We got some nice new stuff for you guys, so come a bit closer and have a quick look. And I'm gonna start introduce those things to you. Starting first with this lovely, have a look. Yeah, Cutie Creative, a squishy egg I would say, with some pink hair. Beautifully packed, coming with a tag. I squish it for you guys, but I cannot unpack it unfortunately. We have this one also in a different colorful rainbow edition, another egg cutie squishy slow rising one. It's called Minty egg, yeah. I was missing that one. So, you can find all these items also at modesforyou.com and cutesquishy.com. The next one, many of you guys know this so-called Pet Zoo, and we have a huge fan base of this lovely big sheep. And now we have the nice dessert ones, the pop-up sheep, coming also in this nice, lovely package from the dessert series. And this is quite huge, and it's also slow rising. Very slow rising. Okay. The next one. This is a lovely Candicorn Floatie in unicorn design. These are quite big and also slow rising ones. We have two editions of these. And what you can do, you can take the squishy and for example buy another one from us and put it on top. And you can, oops, sorry, squish them together. Okay, the package is still fine, no worries. But showing you guys what you can do like this and squish them all together. You can even roll them up so you have a nice calzone, you see? Perfect. And they all get back in original shape. So this one is from, let me have a quick look, Creamy Candy. You guys are probably familiar with this one. Is it a bear? Yeah, it's a Yummiibear King. Looks more like a, I know we have another edition with a mermaid, but I think it's also available at our shop. And this is also a slow rising one. And scented as well. Then from Punimaru, this, I think Pig Donut Squishies. Slow rising ones as well, and becoming, I think it's the same. Yeah. Only the eyes are a bit different. And they also come with this lovely original Punimaru package with a tag you can attach. And sorry, this Creamy Candy Yummiibear also has a tag. I forgot to show you guys. Then this lovely, what is this? A Panda? I think a Panda Galaxy Squishy, quite huge as well. Also very slow rising. You can also put it here on top. And even you can take the big Pet Zoo sheep and put it on top. So it looks pretty nice, right? Yeah. Then we got the old. A lovely, nice, small old squishy. This one, Lei Wang. What is it, dessert cat squishy? I'm all getting mixed up with this. I have so many right now. Oops. Slow rising one. Also galaxy color. Then a little mermaid. A mermaid slow rising squishy. Then a dim sum bun. Also slow rising. And mini fat Poli. This is, let me know, a hamster. It looks like a hamster, right? Slow rising hamster. Yes. And you can get this also with this lovely, nice original package. So you can find all these items at our shop at modesforyou.com and cutesquishy.com. And also, we have a big announcement for a new kind of giveaway. We'll let you guys know later. And the winner from last week's giveaway is Jenny Ong. So we will contact you, and please text us and leave us a message so we can ship the prize to you. That's it for today. Have a nice weekend, and see you guys next week. Bye.